Introducing the next step in skylight innovation, VELUX Skylight Systems. A solar-powered shade is included with nearly every skylight. The solar-powered skylight brings in natural light and fresh air. The built-in shade enhances comfort and efficiency. Laminated glass provides safety and insulation with optional tempered or impact glass. A rain sensor in every venting skylight ensures automatic closure during storms. Included remote controls operate the skylights and shades with smart upgrades available. Venting skylights also include an insect screen to keep bugs out. VELUX flashing guarantees a watertight seal and eligibility for our 10-year warranty. Every shade is pre-paired with its remote and is 100% tested for reliability to simplify the installation process. VELUX solar shades can increase the skylight's energy efficiency by up to 45%, giving homeowners total light and climate control. The solar-powered skylight provides fresh air in addition to daylight and requires no wiring, which makes for an easy and cost-effective installation. Expand your business and simplify the sales and installation process by giving your customers the ultimate skylight experience with VELUX Skylight Systems.